In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make posts available to specific tiers on Patreon. If you want to target content to exactly the members who should see it, this walkthrough will show you how to set that up clearly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Patreon. Click the official Patreon website to head to the platform. Log in with your creator account so you have access to your posting tools. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. Click or hover over your profile picture and make sure you're viewing your creator profile, not the patron view. This is important because the creator tools, including audience controls, only live in your creator workspace. Next, in the left sidebar, click the Create button and choose Post. This opens the Post Composer where you'll build your content. Select the type of post you want to make: image, video, audio, or another format, based on what best fits your content. Give your post a clear, required title and write out your message or upload your media. Keep your audience in mind here. A concise title and descriptive caption help paid members quickly recognize the value they're getting. Now, look for the Settings area of the Composer. Under Audience, you'll see options that determine who can access your post. Choose Paid Access, or the closest equivalent label you see. This ensures the post isn't public and will be visible only to paying members according to the rules you set next. Select the option for selected tiers. This is the key step that lets you fine-tune visibility. You'll see a list of your tiers. Check the boxes next to the specific tiers that should have access to this post. You can choose a single tier for ultra-exclusive content or multiple tiers if a broader group should get it. A helpful tip: match the selection to the benefits you've promised in each tier to keep expectations aligned and reduce confusion. With your audience set, you're ready to share. You can publish immediately if the content is time-sensitive, or schedule your post for a future date and time. Scheduling is handy for coordinating releases across time zones or planning a content calendar in advance. Before you confirm, take a quick moment to review your title, media, and the selected tiers so you're confident the right members will see it. That's it. You've set up a Patreon post that's available only to the tiers you chose, keeping your benefits organized and your members delighted.